Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup Out. I'm your host Sarah Khan. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I love sharing beauty tips, tricks, and dye remedies. Today we are talking all about hair growth. Who doesn't want long, strong, and healthy hair, right? Well, I have got you covered with 3 easy dye hair masks that you can make at home to help your hair grow faster and stronger. Let's get started. One is egg and olive oil mask. Our first mask is a classic, the eggs and olive oil hair mask. Eggs are packed with protein, which helps straighten the hairs, and olive oil adds moisture, leaving your hair soft and shiny. So, the ingredients are for this mask you will need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just whisk them together until it smooths. Apply this mask for the roots to the tips of your hairs and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it off with cold water and shampoo as usual. Trust me, your hair will thank you. 2. Banana and honey mask. Next up, we have a nourishing banana and honey mask. Bananas are rich in vitamins that help prevent split ends and breakage, while honey locks in moisture. Ingredients are for this you will need 1 ripe of banana and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mash the banana really well, then mix it in the honey. Apply this mask generously to your hair and scalp. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it out with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your hair feeling super soft. 3. Aloe vera and coconut oil mask. And lastly, we have an aloe vera and coconut oil mask. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth, while coconut oil deeply nourishes the hairs. And all you need is 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix them together and massage into your scalp. Leave this mask on for 45 minutes to an hour, then rinse with cool water. This mask is perfect if you are looking to promote healthy roots and reduce dandruff. So there you have it, 3 easy dye hair masks for faster hair growth. These are all natural and affordable and super effective. If you try any of these masks, let me know in the comments below how they work for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Makeup Out for more beauty tips and dye remedies. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.